The question is, if the surface air temperature increases towards north in the northern hemisphere, the direction of thermal wind will be.
To solve this question, you need two concepts. One is wind, and another one is the effect of Coriolis force. So, the moving air is known as wind, and wind always moves from high pressure to low pressure. And Coriolis force is the deflection of wind towards its right in northern hemisphere and towards its left in southern hemisphere. So, considering our Earth, we know that equator, where we feel high temperature, usually experiences a low pressure, while pole, which has low temperature, experience high pressure. So, as we said earlier, wind moves from high pressure to low pressure. So, on our Earth, wind moves from pole, or the thermal wind moves from pole to the equator. So when something moves in the northern hemisphere, which deflects towards their right, so this wind deflects towards the west, that is towards its right. So this is the normal condition. And now let's consider the condition which is given in the question, which says that the surface air temperature increases towards north. So that from equator we go to pole, the surface air temperature increases. As the temperature increases, pressure lowers. So equator we experience a low temperature and high pressure, while in pole we experience a high temperature and low pressure. So this wind moves from high pressure region to the low pressure region. So this is how the wind moves. And now due to the Coriolis effect, it deflect towards its right. So our direction will be eastern. So the option will be B,